Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, n'ekingongo kindi ky'ensi ya Kenya. Abaliki baitomba bakolentera mangana magia asenchira y'obwikirano. Emanya mange naboigo bwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV, obworoso bw'omugusi. Tomo chako tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga ki chance asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengari botari no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Umuruburi kubwatia na bukorigirirwa na kio muntu.
Mwarigara lya Ensoko TV ne mambiendengia no kuyana kwa ndura kwa bukire bya kwa ngandere bya kuranda onsi asura seri tukirigaria merongebere na kabira somotinyo kanu mwaka bwechile fuibere merongebere na gatano narimo nabo igano gandira tukubati Ensoko TV kuro chinse 12 cheke mambi kwikira boni kana ndicheragere chinse nyene chidai kenkechi aitre gorengaki na to swaso murobire yega bwetero bindi go chakira boni wika chinse isano ne mochi abono mubaso asoko kwandira na kumurikira ya gendere taya aitre na boiga yara chiko bwati etosanga sobwamo wetera senchire yo mutanda wekerero Facebook robega sensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV na bema wasiliane mambia bono nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano ne momara gatano mwere obeka isato na mononi gura chikuye tumegera to so asenkwani ito emambia ya bono asi uguchia kolire lya mangana agenda rete astrati kusangana mugene turachikuba nere ime studio mambia bono kurwa sensemo ye bunge ya South Mugango nabwo yo kurigekero kyobo MC ye kurwa se ensemo ye bunge ni chiko tebe ward ne liye kurenda sabono yango turaligerili na liya agenda to korekana se emambia ya bono ritriane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakare mambia bono ekiama kia UDA ni go kia rubiri guchiko korobo chorwe kia mekia se county ya Siaya wachori obura kolekana seri tukoriankyo ni go obubono bwa retro bwobone obonene asense moya Nyanza korengana nabo bwatu ni bekiama kia UDA ensemo ya Siaya ni go ba muchiri abamu abukuru ase kiama kia ODM igoro yengana yokobaga chingongo ge siasa ubona asaba bolire omuraibwe kiama kia UDA oyibo igoro omuraibwe ense William Ruto goswanana eriyo gokonya eriko chikokonya bochori obwo kolekana asenchira eriyo botwereru abwa seri.
We are asking Dr. William Samoei to please come to our rescue, refuse this zoning. If these people are saying they want to ring fence Nyanza, let them ring fence Nyanza for you, not for ODM. Because right now what is important for us as a country, what is important for us as a county, what is important for us as Luo Nyanza is to make sure Dr. William Samoei Ruto gets re-elected. We can see that there is no zoning. Because if there was zoning, why would UDA be doing grassroots elections in Siaya? So it's definitely true that President Dr. William Samoei Ruto has rejected that thing of zoning. And we are really taking this opportunity to thank the president, because the only way our president is going to get maximum votes in Luo Nyanza is when there will be competition. If we remove that competition and we allow ODM to be the dominant party in Luo Nyanza, nobody will get out to vote, because everybody will be like, yeah, they've already decided, why should I go out and vote? We will have this thing called voter apathy. If during last general election, our own late Baba missed getting to president by 200,000 votes. And yet in Luo Nyanza, more than 700,000 people did not vote. What will happen if we do zoning and we are not supporting Baba, we are supporting Dr. William Samoei Ruto? Everybody knows what's going to happen. So for us, we're asking our president, and we are asking kindly, we are asking him, please, Dr. William Ruto, don't accept zoning. Zoning will kill democracy. Zoning is going to lock out our young leaders who are aspiring and who this county really needs. Because right now we see the situation we are in. We have recycled leaders, leaders who've been in leadership since some of us were born. Until now, we are grandfathers. They were leaders, recycled. They are doing the same thing every day, which is not development, which is not helping people. Today, we are in Siaya, in the middle of the town, and what we were doing today was sensitization. We were teaching our people how they are going to vote on Thursday, 23rd, because we have grassroots elections, and we are all going to participate. One beautiful thing is that today, people have turned out in their numbers, and everybody here is upbeat and waiting for that date, which is Thursday, so that they can cast their ballot, they can cast their vote, so that we can build a strong UDA party.
Kwa majina naitwa Daniel Omondi, najulikana kama Dede, Central Alego Ward. Kwanza wacha nichukue hii fursa kutoa shukrani kwa rais wetu kwa kuhakikisha ya kwamba chama chake ama chama chetu cha UDA imenezwa hapa Siaya. Na kwa shughuli iliyopo leo tunashukuru hawa viongozi wetu wakiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Dor pamoja na Mheshimiwa Otada kwa kuhakikisha ya kwamba wametuletea wale kutoka ofisi ya juu ya chama wakuje watuelimishe jinsi ambavyo tutajiandikisha kama wale wanachama kule polling stations. Kile Kenya ambacho ningependa kuongezea ni ya kwamba sisi kama watu wa Siaya tunahakikishia rais ya kwamba ifikapo 2027 Siaya County itatoa kura mingi zaidi ambayo hata yeye atashangaa. Na tunasema ya kwamba kama watu wa Siaya, kama mambo ni broad based, ikuwe ni broad based, isikuwe ni broad based na zoning. Tunasema kama ni broad based na ni broad based, na kila chama ipatiwe nafasi ya kuchagua viongozi wao. Hiyo ndio njia mwafaka tutaeneza nayo ushirikiano kati ya Rais William Ruto na Daktari Oburu Odinga. Lakini wakati wanasema ati pande nyingine kama Nyanza wanataka zoning, tunasema hiyo sio broad based. Broad based ni kuacha kila mtu, kila mwananchi, kila chama itawale na kila mwananchi achague yule kiongozi ambayo anataka. Na kwa hayo machache nasema sisi tukiwa watu wa Siaya tunasema Rais William Ruto ni tuta. Rais William Ruto ni tuta. Ni kazi si kazi.
President has assured us that it's real broad based, not that those who fear competition are campaigning for zoning. The president cannot be given ultimatum. So we encourage our president to let it be a free and fair elections where nobody's hand is carried to hold a position. We'll have elections on Thursday. Those are UDA grassroots elections. We welcome all the electorate in the whole country to take part in this election so that we have a strong UDA party. Let us support UDA and let us support two-term with its party. You cannot support an individual and you don't support the party. We want to assure the president that Siaya is yellow, Siaya is two-term, and Siaya stands with him. Siaya will give him full support. William Ruto? Two-term. Mama Rachel? Two-term. UDA?
Asante mwendo mubunge bwense bunge Embakasi East Babu Owino ni gaoro kiriganga ya yogo chako rwanira nabo yokorigekera gukibura ibwense so mwaka bwechile fibere 32 asenkwane yayenga kiyoko yana na Chibasari nigakwanire aya arengete oburai bwense na koreta munchirulio imeyense gwetera asoburai engakiyo keraike.
Na muhimu zaidi ni kuangalia 2032. Watu wote wenye wanaenda rais sahi wamalizane 2027. 2032 sisi tuingie pale State House. Sini ukweli? Sini ukweli? Sisi tutajipanga na huwa nawaambia na simnaona kila siku venye tunaelekea inakuja karibu, na 2032 bado nyinyi wote mtakuwa. Si hii ni miaka ngapi hapa sahi? 27 to 32 ni ngapi? Ni 5, na sahi ni 1. So in 6 years time, 6 years utakuja ukojoe State House. 6 years time. Si hiyo ni karibu sana? Si ni karibu sana? Kwa sababu watu ambao wako kwa umri wetu washakuwa marais. Burkina Faso amekuwa rais akiwa 32 years. Si ni rais? Hata kama alichukua, si amechukua, ni rais. Ukiona kule Madagascar aliingia na 35 years old. Ukiona kule Libya Gaddafi aliingia na 28 years old. Ukiona kule juzi Nepal walichagua kiongozi wao akiwa 35 years old. Hata Museveni aliingia akiwa 28 years old. Jamani, sisi hatutaki tukae hii siasa milele. Tunataka tubadilishe maisha ya watu. Hatutaki tukishafika 80 years ndio sasa tunatafuta power. Hiyo 80 years tutakuwa tunalinda wajukuu wetu. Si ni ukweli? Sisi tukiingia 32 mpaka 42 tumemaliza mambo ya siasa yetu. Kwa hivyo in the next 16 years, si ni 16, siasa tumemaliza. Sasa tunarudi tu huku, tunaona venye biashara yako inaendelea vizuri, mtoto wako aliwekwa mahali yako sawa, nyinyi ndio sasa mnanitumia M-Pesa, airtime. Si hiyo itakuwa maisha poa? Sawa sawa. So wacha tujipange na tuombee watu wetu wa Embakasi East constituency. Mimi huwa nawaombea kila siku na nitazidi kuwaombea. Tuombee, hii ndio familia yetu. Na hii familia yetu haina ukabila. Manake kabila yako ni yule ambaye anakaa karibu na wewe. Yule ndiye anajua shida yako. So hii ndio kabila yetu. Embakasi East, sisi wote venye tuko hivi, tuko kitu kimoja. Kwa sababu shida zetu ni sawa. Shida ya Mkikuyu na Mkalenjin ni sawa. Ya Mjaluo na Mkamba ni sawa. Ya Mkisii na Mluya na Mtaita ni sawa. Shida ya Mkenya ni shida ya Mkenya. Shida zetu zote ni sawa. Hiyo ndio kabila yetu. Sisi tuna unite against poverty. Siyo ni sawa?
Omurai wensi William Ruto asetaro ya yama tukatute imensi ya Italy nigakwanire koroyo kubwatira na kura chikwene kwegatie chinse echiga ibere ase kweka chingaki agenderere koroseria ense ya Kenya eriete na gukwanira emirobiro au kurwa chisemi obo chenu na boigo asesemu yobunchirili no buremi abu ase chinse echiga ibere chira chikwendera kubwatirana na mono ase okogania ensi ya Italy echikweka imense yetu ya Kenya asesemu yobunchirili.
This spirit of partnership extends to talent and entrepreneurship. Today we welcome the launch of the Next Generation Africa 2026 Kenya edition, linking East Africa startups with Italian and European capital. It builds on a strong track record with over 175 startups already accelerated, 500 entrepreneurs trained, and more than euros 15 million raised. This is not a one-off initiative. It is a long-term platform, now anchored in Nairobi, signaling Italy's role in Kenya's innovation ecosystem. Let me equally reiterate that Kenya seeks from venture capital. We need patient capital aligned with African market realities, targeting investments of 500,000 euros to 5 million euros in growing AI-driven companies. But beyond capital, we seek partnership. Kenyan founders need access to European markets. Italian firms need access to African growth. This is a two-way opportunity. To unlock it fully, co-investment alongside institutions such as the International Financial Corporation and the European Investment Bank will be essential in reducing risk and scaling participation. The opportunity is immediate. Kenya attracted US $800 million in venture capital last year, the highest on the African continent. Our task now is to ensure that more of this capital reaches local founders. The pipeline is already forming. Hundreds of startups are being engaged, and a new generation of entrepreneurs, many of them repeat founders, is building companies with global ambition. At the center of today's agenda is a bold ambition, the AI 10 billion initiative. Led by the Africa Development Bank and the UNDP, this initiative aims to mobilize up to US$ 10 billion by 2035, and locking up to 40 million jobs, driving $1 trillion in additional GDP, and generating $150 million in annual tax revenues. The alternative to this is stark. Without decisive action, Africa risks the inability to realize as much as US$ 750 billion in AI-driven GDP. This initiative is designed to prevent that outcome through bankable pipelines, blended finance, and core investment structures that bring public and private capital together, and to do so at scale. For Kenya, this is already underway. A dedicated AI investment vehicle housed within the Nairobi International Financial Center, which combine concessional capital with private investment to accelerate deployment. We therefore invite Italy through the Mattei Plan to anchor a co-investment partnership within this vehicle. And we call on all development finance institutions and investors present here today, and those who can tap into this meeting, to help shape and scale this effort. At the same time, exit pathways are strengthening. Activity on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, regional acquisitions, and secondary transactions are creating a more complete investment cycle. What is emerging between Italy and Kenya is something larger than a bilateral relationship. It is a new model, one where the global North and the global South build together as equal partners. Under the Mattei Plan and Kenya's bottom-up economic transformation agenda, we are aligning this vision. I therefore invite you not simply to invest, but to help shape what Africa becomes by 2040. On behalf of the government of Kenya, I reaffirm that Kenya is open, ready, and committed. And the partnerships formed here in Rome today will be put to work at scale in Nairobi and across our continent. So welcome to Nairobi, and my very best wishes to all the participants. Thank you. This gathering sits at an introspection of two defining forces shaping Africa's future. One is innovation, and another one is capital. Together they will determine how we grow, how we compete, and how we secure prosperity for our people. For Kenya, this is not a new terrain. Our foreign policy has long been anchored in economic diplomacy, the principle that global engagement must translate into real opportunities that have a commercial and economic value. There is no clear expression of that principle than what we are advancing here today. The economic partnership between Kenya and Italy is deepening in very practical and measurable ways. We are now collaborating globally through trilateral AI cooperation with India, and which was formalized at the AI Impact Summit in Delhi. I think Minister Uslo has already spoken to this. And we are advancing frontier capability, with the Luigi Broglio Space Center evolving into a hub of satellite AI and Earth observation in Malindi, Kenya. This is a partnership built not merely on intent, but on purpose and delivery. The Nairobi International Financial Center provides a clear institutional entry for global capital. Our legal framework and architecture, through investment agreements and tax treaties, ensure certainty for investors and for venture capitalists. At the same time, we are building for the future. The Startup Act supports high growth ventures, and our forthcoming national AI policy ensures that innovation is also matched by responsible governance.
Asanse moyende asobonya biwa marwa ni abanyanyimbo banyolera mu Chilite elfueyemo ne merongere nsemo yegembe note county ya Meru chinga kyubonya obonya byobwo bora chikugendera na ase baria barabwate osebara hibarabwata nigwe nigo bara chikwimukirwe getambukiro egetindikeri chiko korengana bona abanyanyimbo bakwerera kurwase ensemeyo.
Na hii operation tumeifanya tukiwa pamoja na maofisa wa APS led by Inspector Anampio na machifu wetu. During that operation, katika boma ya One Purity Kadhure, tumepata pombe mingi ajabu. Tumepata kama kuna factory ya pombe hapa, ambayo mnaona hapa nyuma. A total of 705 liters of illicit brew. 700 lita 705 ya pombe haramu. Ikiwamo Muna tumepata 34 jerrycans ama mitungi 34, total into 68 liters, na Chang'aa lita 25. Na hii habari tulipata from villagers wa hapa ambao wametusaidia kupata information, na tuseme kwamba huyu mama ni notorious. Tumejaribu kumtafuta mara mingi, amekuwa akihepa hiyo dragnet, lakini leo tumemwamkia asubuhi na tukapata kama pombe nyingine hata iko jikoni. Yangu ni kuona wale ambao wanaendelesha hii biashara haramu katika hii kijiji cha KK Tama, that serikali iko imara na tutaendelea kufanya operation hapa, not only against illicit brew but pia banki na madrugs zingine hapa zinaharibu vijana wetu hapa, na gambling machines in this area. Hii area sometimes last year kuna kituo cha polisi kilishomo hapa na kuja kuwa na security mzuri since then, but nataka kuhakikishia wenyeji wa hapa kwamba serikali through the CDF watarehabilitate hiyo kituo na tuweze kuleta maofisa hapa, na pia ofisi ya chief itajengwa hapa katika kata dogo ya Nkada, na tunaamini tukifanya yale tutaweza kudhibiti amani katika hii eneo. Tumefanya raid katika boma ya pili katika hiki kijiji cha KK Tama, katika shamba katika boma ya One Mrs. Kangentu ambaye tumekuta kama ametoroka, na katika hili boma tumepata mitungi 15 ya Muna, bringing the total number of illicit brew netted here to 300 liters of Muna, na jiko 3 na paletas 3 za kudistill Chang'aa and 3 kettles. Kwa hivyo ile pombe tumeweza kufanya crackdown siku ya leo ni a total of 1040 liters of Muna and 25 liters of Chang'aa and distilling the paletas jikos. So hii kijiji tumefanya those 2 raids and tumepata habari those were the 2 notorious brewers here. Hata huyu hata kama amepotea tutamtafuta wherever she is, sababu lazima appear before the court. Lakini tumearrest one suspect katika ile boma nyingine.
Asense moyende yokurigera ya bwatkene ne kyobege bisikori kyaba kichikura chinga kya matuko atano inseye wike metigarete elio wika omwerio asaba kichikura kurikiwe imeyense nigo ase county ya Migori amoneria ya Siaya korengana na omosi ontenenera wekyobe kya IBC airerubuna nigo mubaromoke oenekiwe ase chi county echo ibere buna kwerera ase obwagare.
Moses Legama Shikudu, the acting Commission Secretary and CEO of the IBC. We have had several discussions. We have had meetings this morning with the with the leadership of the country, from the government side and from the IBC side, and especially from our side as the IBC. We are just looking at where we stand right now as CIA, and we are not doing very well as a county in terms of the voter registration, new registration data, and we have sat today and agreed to re-strategize on how we are going to approach the last few days that are remaining. And one thing that is very clear is that we need a concerted effort from both the political leadership of CIA and us as IBC to work together to reach out to as many people as possible, because what is coming out clearly is that though our teams are quite spread out there and are available at every ward, we still have a challenge with so many uncollected IDs that are lying out there. Still have a challenge with people coming out to really participate, even those who have collected the IDs. And therefore, we also have several young people who don't have IDs or coming to us with waiting cards. And we are therefore encouraging and just letting know the people of CIA that as IBC, we have rolled out and even doubled our efforts to reach you as close as possible. Take advantage of the presence of our teams in every ward. Take advantage of our communication, our schedules, so that then you can come and be registered as we go towards the end of the process in the next 8 days. So therefore, we have agreed. Our team is now aligned. Our team is rejuvenated. They are willing to take up the challenge, and we have representatives of the clerks, the voter registration assistants, the ICTs, the ROs are here, and the county elections manager, and therefore we have all aligned our thoughts towards achieving our targets, which is a little low right now. We are at 47%, and we have agreed that we want to push this to as high as 70% at least. That is on the minimum, but we believe that if we cooperated with everybody, with all the players, all the stakeholders, we can actually achieve even 80-90%. The national figures are quite good, because as you must have seen right now, for the first time, compared to the previous registration that we have had, we would be struggling come to this period, but you can realize that right now we are doing over 1.3 million Kenyans out there, and therefore there is some enthusiasm. There is a lot of encouragement from the kind of figures that are out there, and therefore that is why we are concerned that CIA is not, CIA need to really pull up its socks. I was also in Homa Bay, and the same story is also replicating there. We need to really push that. I'm happy Migori is doing relatively well. I'm heading to Kisumu this afternoon to also see how they are how they are doing. And therefore, but of concern was CIA, and I believe that there is much that can be done if we worked together again going forward. So therefore, that is the position. CIA needs to really come up and be counted with the rest of the country in terms of voter registration, because we have the numbers, the targets are there. We know there are quite a number of people out there. And it has also come to my attention, just to add on that many of the IDs that are lying in our centers belong to people who are not around, people who are in Nairobi. Maybe we'll also encourage them to take to come and collect the IDs, because I'm told by my staff that some of the IDs that we find, the owners are not around. The owners are in Nairobi or in the cities doing various works and various engagement. We also try to see how to encourage them. Ours is to encourage them to find time to come and collect their IDs and get registered, because again, we don't know when next we'll do the registration. And therefore, taking advantage of this moment that we are doing now is of importance. I need to inform Kenyans that what we are doing is not only registering new voters, we are also transferring voters to their voting stations of choice. And, you know, for IBC, we really are not interested how you arrive at the polling station to come or to the officer to come and do the change. All right? Whether you come by bus, whether you're brought by someone, as long as you have come and you are seeking in person, because this time round you must come in person to seek the transfer, because the transfer is biometric. Nobody can transfer on your behalf. So therefore, our focus as IBC is to facilitate Kenyans to transfer, to register in a manner that it is based on their own choices.
Miamana so choren soko TV buroso bwo mugusi na gwikiraga bwa sensementangani no tokora bekira ekoma kidogo iri turaragenda asumuti mukomoke ugusi turasumira kiruka na nyuma yo semira kiruka ningira nena yanda manga strati kwa swasenkwane itemambya bone iri koligereria igoro yokugania kwa burayi obuya bosiyo bwo mwaka w'Echile fibere 2025 na kabere ensemo ye bunge ya South Mugrango apo no turaso ya se itukoria lero.
Eye Nensoko TV oboroso bumugusi obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gotumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wano yaikireke wango guikaru aligo. Panya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari. Erio tuabaretaga Betami tuabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obi
asamange twakirisimya namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburio gukora chingatale ichyobutindu.
Omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara niga tebete nige kuira ekerengogete ky'obubalimo kibirengeralyo eliokolenta amontelyo yamagenderero asama tukabusyo nakyo gekogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino asomusimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba nigalenge omuseneta omuchorwa wekyama gya serikali gya UDA kulende agesokya kubwatisya omurwanirira wekerugo ky'oburayi bwense kurwa orogonko rwagusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo goika kaurwe kerugo kyaye kyoboseneta asogotenena nomugusiyo mwabo nonyabono atabwati emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati wekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba byobochenu naboigo kurwania chisegi chegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna omu women representative bwe county ya Kisii asobocholi bw'omwakugocha elio aire obubalimo bwaye alia sebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetagete omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obubalimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku oyo nere Gloria Oruoba ebalimo yagusi.
Magega ya televisioni yansoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tukuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubunchuria bono na bokonyori bagaria bene liokuraria asegete senieke aseriguri liakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobunchuria 0788 66 66 62.
Muligari bwa Soko TV oyo no muroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukurie iki guchakira chinsa 11 chamogoroba wikense yemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubuyanda tasikerugo orambulete mirondo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo songengo to amereria
Bakalia omoto ya kabwatwa Bakalia omoto ya kabwatwa amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
Mirna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuruchitana chense Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga Eke Nakige Kos Kiamesa Yamangana Maya Ubugima norugendo rubwa tamange Amaya Namabe Omusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga naba yaeteire naba kuyaetera
Nchekera na ibole twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiro ikemia tasta ngachaka ngotifero po ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twali robali ona wachagete
aya nime yo muroberio bumwenori kirali tukule matano chinsaiber chabutuko imeyan Soko TV oboroso bumugusi Eye nen Soko TV oboroso bumugusi
Karibu raile mwancho morire mambia yabono chidaika niko mene mochoka chiatigere chirage chinsa isano chiabono mambia Soko TV buruso bwo mugusia sensemo eye gaya kabira naenda Soko so senkwani hito nigo torati ko so sensemo ye bunge ya South Bogrange ward ni chitago burabu nine no mugeni na bwego yokorie kero kibwe msie kura senseme yona chiko kwa na mwana mambia yabono eriko sanga amangana amanga mange asensemeria yobrai na magendro na mono busi wochorwo mwaka ogocha gwikira bonigana na raliaya agendre tekura senseme yo karibu tusanga sumwamo namba ya mawasiliano nigene notisa no na ibere isano na isatu isano ne momara gatano mwero beka isato no chwa kesimi ase okoboria mabori agona boigo asugo kwanira bintu bibere bitatu bunatongandira tusanga asubo amasese mimi mutandao gwekerero Facebook rabega semo ya YouTube Soko TV tusange asubo amago chakera bono gwika omwero karibu sana mimi Soko TV nga kitogo chaka enkwani yetemambia yabona na kire byakara kwani ngo mwanchumo ligerelia na boigo kubeko boruso nyane kurwa sensemeria okorwe mambia bono
mbia mono murari tangana Soko ngali baga ande tiangkwanya bategeri na bali batoro chese mitandao ya kijamii Facebook na YouTube pamoja na wale paroche STV live asamaria tankoro ku Benson Manono Nyaega Korunchoro Chitago Ward South Mogrango constituency Kisii County biamo
karibu sana ekero gwate bino kuro Chitago Ward ni gonkwenyera na abono muraibwense aseri tukolirya iri omwero no ko urete etaro yae na asenseme Chitago Ward ne ward yeria kero kolireria asenaro konyora magendero naro nsemo ende magendero taiyo bintu mbere bikonya gokorekana nsemo yende umwana nchinkolerale sense mbere nta togo chakire mambia ya bono no kuraligereri kwanza stadium neralia yetago yaberege kasana no nyene asense iri chigosore rokoligura se yebungi ya South Mugrango nere guche tumekusana se division district ka asense iri chigosore kiria nyone na boro kiwa bagocha baumirana stadium iri kiraboneka ngaiye ikere na muraibwense na cha imwartane ward yago bona no kuru na no kubolie kirogie kikurwa nkikendera tukura sense stadium iri na kimwa yetu chibesa na ndirenga mwetu
mbia mono umuraria seri swalirigia ritangende tukotebanga stadium eri none kerango kina nchoro nsomete primary kero tuagachire chi sports divisional no tuagachire etago ebe nama mnyoka ebe no mupira no tuagachire stadium eri for the longest yabeire igotumeka even for political functions lakini nende igotumeka ya tumekubune daraja ande chinga kichiete tarashughulikero ninga tengere tangani stadium yakwa ngankorosi were yakwa ndo marange and no promise yarwe tu no morai wense nganero sigo it is still a promise kero nyetera cha korosi undora facilities choko jerosi but that's a promise njeninga njetenga tingo kwandira gendo ndara twara evidence nande bononye eyo ya morai yakwa nete wense it is still a promise etara fulfilled ba kero twarore ya chakire go shukuru na tora tebe ngayekira niyo but it is a stadium ya bere for the longest ego twara big functions lakini ere nyene standards cha nchiringia kero ko endoro none ense monere yegetikeri ere mbe mono gutumeka lakini negetie kenene kia kera rosigwe nande kebe ketumeka samanga manene
aseke getambe sana no nyana sense meri yabara yakero mugo keligereria because amate facility ngabune yega kero koligereria because negetikiregia public na bo kiganero gutume kwa sebinto au watebere ngutume kora seme sangerekano yage siasa chigosori na binto binde kero keria korwa nsi ya Kenya nyora to busubiri gwikira rero iga buna barai ne batura sobisi nyone bari barobisi asogote magujadiliana na what kiganero gokorekana gwikira boniga kero mwatemere kubwatu nyona sobura ibwa etiro muchana no rulioyo gwikira boniga gitararo sigwa singicho ebe setanya kubekwa no muntu tanya kuira malalamishi mutwire ndaira mangana ina kiba minto ntukanire gokorerwe ikende kine ka singiche kene kigetibo no kiegenire ase moye bunge ya South Mugrango ari na kiria kianya marambe
ndetote banga amangana birara agerje getikiri gitararoshu ekemo on ignorance of the facts yebinto biribiganire go shugulikirwa se board ekinande getibo no getio maete egento is a recreational facility ekaneri kotume kuna kero mondo orase wodi chitago bara because basically nda kwa nigoro ya sekere because no a promise yarwe tu no murai gare tu no mubunge jarwe ta so mo MC abo bon koliki but no mo MC itotanya gotwara ribaga abo linga kigetie kiabera matuka ya mange ngetararo saliko. We cannot sit down and blame the previous governments because there is a time for everything. Yani chinga kinjire chuo chaka kiregento. Gento ngebwate ngaki ayo chaka. Na kiregento kerebwate ngaki ayo chaka bawatenga when something starts that's the right time. Yani dirigia chaka china chinga kichia chuo chaka. One geti keriki abere neglected. Egento giakabere ne kio negligence. Na boro chenge gento kerega niriko shugurukeru lakini priorities chawe chire asanda ngao na buchira abechingia gose chimbe but abantu muna abechitago borabu abanafunzi emesangirekano ne echikanisa because we are a religious community nega ne ripatu ari bakasa abantu bakoraki bakosangirekana ono negligence na ignorance of the facts nero yagetigeti ta koraki kitarashukuru kwaseke
rabo yakara tukukwanira because yakara kwanira tieke ne chigosori go kego twigorege seri kende kara tukwanira mangana yogosira basae bikundi bya bangina because whatever chikwaya ne chikanisa ndo that go bone minute na empowerment guchia se omomenyi we ward ye chitago borabu nabo gankuri goreke rugeke gakyo MC kurwa se ward ye chitago borabu asensemo yomos yo koligeri yomosae koligeri yomongina abamenyete no borema nabo igo balia bara chiko gusira se chikure chiga asobo chori bogocha kerenga kya onkere kiekera boigo murubiri ogo noruryoyo kuchakira abang'ina of course meta abang'ina barase umuwakilishi bw'abang'ina oyore umuwakilishi bw'abang'ina bwe county ya Kisii ngaki ndramanya ni ngorache ko barakino kubwatana nako kaniri ko anekigwa nawe bari bamenyete no obarema abagotu nabasaye na obale imegega na bonsi kugwakira bale ekuru murubiri ogo noruryoyo
mbia mona siri swali rigyo moralia ndete gote ba mang'ana makeyo litangani kurwa siri swali rigeti chigosorukero chigokoru amang'ana na mange chigokonya abasaye baitu abamura na abaiseke kero bakonyora chingaki chiokwenda banyora ase bakora chigosori nkwerusana ni bale na mang'ana amabebu no gotumeka mareo yo gotindi kokora amang'ana ndi yo bosalia manga mange ara abasario mabwabo omwana kera achira okorire gosori baka mogoroba gosenguchakira kero nyobwate chiguli eskuru akura agenda anyora asa gosori kagokura na mogoroba garosete tagocha korengere okora amang'ana atari kiriki atari amayo kwagacha bono we need to make sure nga ebiti tari gosine tago gyoka ebiti mbire binge bitari biya lakini tago nekenene tu atume ku mufano geta egeti
kireke center ande kigotume kuri abantu
n'abantu abangi lakini mbiga ne biro siwe binge ne binge egento gyakabere chitimu njirororo chiabamura n'abaiseke chire asichitago bara chinyinge abana aba babe registered even to county leagues sub county leagues juvenile leagues chiabana bake under 13 under 17 in the process abantu abagendere ko ba busy babe engaged in the process ngonyorore ngaki talent also pays abana agaruko babe kase gosori you will identify one or two people barabe baachire bagosoiri baachire atano an example umwana naro urukuru South Mugirango ukuruko umwando ogochezera Shaban juzi na chede nkamuroko chezera Small Simba tole nyake yali
yeba
months later are Shaban in the next moment is a young boy to kumanyanga yakoro ngayako genda nero ko ba empowered yoko genda sa tambe okonyire kenyero kiabo so through sports and recreational things chiokoru nabakonyora abana baitu talents chire chitago borabu chabere explode twanyorere abana bakora ibintu bingao swimming inchirororo ama minyoko narororo there are a lot of talent erabe explode ekonya abana baitu kwambori boli goro ebiombe ebyabangina women rep ngoso ari lakini ebiombe mbire bingi na birabi bigo join abantu bonsi bebe abasaye abangina nabagaka for example kiombe nkera kemo ikoro ku nyakwerigeria self help group I was there the other time nkabakora empowerment nkabaye birogo na abayete bikego bitano kiarango chibali bali gibirogo batete koro siema ebege gokombowa rizio kombo banyora returns gocha se kiombe is a very good process ekokonya abantu bagendere kokoraki bagendere ko empowered abantu amenyete no bolema ebakoro kunga able differently aseluka yoko ba maskani na barabo matembo kwade other strengths babwate chingao wetanie chirito to kurigereria bona abantu aba you will identify as strengths chiribabwate strengths chiribabwate major on the strengths babwate minor on their weaknesses in the process abantu aba ngonyorenga na barangaki babwate ensemble bago play in the development ya ward yaitu yes
ngwakwanira ya igoro ya mangana yo kwena ne birogo asengencho yekiombe gwakwanira kia nyakwerigeria self help group abaraya bange no nyenenga kibune yiga kero keria torochia samangana siasa no bochori osekero keri monya kuri kichikure chiga abange ngocha bari batarira chikanisa batarira byombe batarira chikanisa gocha kwamenya konyara ni gumuntu akori eira na kindaire umuchanga kwanya kanisa yiga mugane tukobeka mabati ebirugo gocha obalireira na nchemba gorera mabati nchemba gorere ebirugo litukolira gocha gosobisi kumwakeresi mikomonyora no muchando kumorigia achigwikerania ire atebete because especially asorongoro turagusio konyora na nyone ne chikanisa chinyinge usebyombe biga amangana nabere aidonyore na nubwagachi usegento kende gya kabere no kubagorera ebyombo gose birugo bya kanisa especially asengencho wate abana community yaito nabantu mwirite nyasaye na religious community so liboli ndirina ngayo muchando gochobera rende na gocha gwikerania ire yiga nige gocha yabo muchando ochiko baletera ndebiro bibiri kwa batetia 20 ekwa yarinde gorure keyboard na bintu bire bitatu ngayo muchando ogochobera gose ensemo yago naye ni gorache bwa kembuna webisenga kieke goika
mbia mono amburi swali ligi ya mono litangani te whatever I don't give promises konye na achiro nye na
Korwa chagete sabali nkwanya kwa na nkwanya kolia ira.
Promises na teba muna wate rune chibirogo gosine kanisa. Onye na achira asibune kanisa kelimbwate onye 200 mbwate iko nkojerwo.
Lakini tulikolia ira ne nche baka.
Tinta tukolia ira because it is easy said than done. Ogwana mbwango nande gokora ngojikole gwakonga. Onye gwaikira ase kelio bwata ekaru. Nyasao okonya okobomorai toja nandi koru promises because promises na chitu anyore no ni as the current regime chato vairira problem. You have a promise and a deliver. Okoro chi promise chinyinge ragine okora kwaba ogoke. So I tend to believe nga nje the kind of leadership ndate okora ne linga ki onyembwate tigandu kelimbwata sichinga kiecho. Kiagara ngo promise ndevalende. Aya another thing nda promise tingira lende. I could have been ndabo monto mulimo because narojo murayo yo mutinde tukumukwana rieta because he is a public figure. Ocheta akarwe biroko bye sukuru akarwa mabati kagachuchi ebilasi bibere obo bunga ngobori akagwa agachete chisukuru chaka akabugolie biroko bya ekurbororo na mabati aya gatagoro kuruji nyomba. So you see
akana na birebyo na singe nchata ita chikura.
So that's why I tend asinge nchonkoli hinde tinde do cha kuru promises ncha ko umuntu mulimo ndetenga onye naso na bana musini mbwati ndiko soka koyerwa ikera nero mbwati nabantu bechitago borabona abantu abaya mbama itenga ki abana bonzi nabaitu akiora atwara abana abange oyo nabwati noyo tabwati goko balina tuliko banga kiara abana banaba naba bonzi igoko banja bonzi no maitenga nono yo tabwati na taranyora karanyora nkoro ane ngiye korte ningiye. So I don't give promises ngoji nateba hiyo asina achira sabantu bonzi ngobatenga I will not promise, but if God give nyasao kongali bakali okubomura yeno I will do my best. And I will do my best. I will do more than I could have promised. Na kintari I don't promise.
Ekero tebana turikolia ira asense mwende. Ngentunkira mu Kenya ko gani kuigwa. Because yokororera no murai ibintu biru yani batakite kuigwa kugukwana whereby ukurichire chiga nekemo kiabo nabaraye bange bagotena tio togenda aliga tukwane kana iga singinchike nikibagani tikuigwa elindo usukire useba kubwatukire ndo genda guchiabu obagoki igo okuruko gotena etuli ase ligi eyo
eyumpati ya siasa nande ndaite gotebanga ase siasa sometimes I wish ngang twala ngenchire ngayo gochora barai tutarigo tumeka siasa. If we had a way of choosing leaders without politics ngocha kwa yange ndekia, because at the end of the day politicians bamanyire ndongere ko kwasi songo social engineering ama ite birangere y'umuntu buna biyo kolegas
kiana tikuigwa
cy'umuntu agana iri kuigwa wono ri ama ite ngendo Ishmael ate ko ngendo ke igagocha ke kwane elinde aimoki emotions ciao umwanje at the end of the day kwanyora muntu tari kuchota kolera. So I want to make sure nga asa abantu baringo taera ngo batabindeka tinda getingi moki emotions cheno ninde de mondo lenje buna anchende ben urai purinda arete bubongake again. We cannot do the same thing the same way and expect different results. Tonya kolege ento enchire ya muna kiaberege okorwa ama jibuna aliali because nona abantu bechita urabomba manyete nga political tokenism ngoto saliriere enjira tokonyora bara yabaya. Bueno, that's why ndate ko forge another way yo koliyo borai tutari konya ko abantu chira chinyinge lakini gendo kelia ke momanyete engo china batebiga egendo mayete nyakitari neganiri ko basigete teyo epare koruga bakasigete neganiri ko rosiku teyo iko bon kero tebia bantu ko simba mayete ngebinde biganiri ko rosiku no yo be identified naye, so they know if they give you an opportunity na boko bikora. So that is not promising. That is identifying the problem and looking like you can give a solution.
Ebango ne yo Mukenya ne rukurwe bango ebese yende yaswase kigancha kerie kenene ebese yande yamenye kwirana yacha gukora emirimo whereby yende yacha si county mu gwetro mu governor nuko gwetera naye bro mu MCA kwewe budget ya mwacha gukora emirimo asanse meri gwata bayabasaye na ngakiende na umugo cha mwabasira sese mu yichiko soli exam ngana yega yoko like mepira because ni manyete na kero mwaka kero keria turuchi aseme yega ya December mepira ngo cheri ali kigusana gusira abana bamure chigosori hapa na pale kiyeko gerana ebese ywe kero goche kulike ke kombe kiko tebana ne kiane nebese yo na yorobisi na ekero bisi na bese yo mwana inchi tuchieti mobuko goruse bese iyo lakini ekero gocha kende gyonse kere kyo gokorote bana na bakorerete gento gete why is it na a language eri goso munoria bo abarai mutari gotumeka munori na ebese ria ino se evangelia ine bese ria ino na ere ya chira ekobakorere kene nigo wikebe na ebesa yane na bakorere kene
mbia mono murare nyoko inyorete kero twarenge naega last a few months ago endo ngire na gotebeti andi nitaki gukirora konye gwakorire gento ende kekenyene ngokwana kerenga nae gwakora no utakwana ayo monyene. I think the fear of mnani performance nere kugera nyago identifying ekeninje nakora ekenaye nakora
lakini buna barayi mukwire chinga kichinyinge mono kwera seregendo.
And that is the problem. Nandi nakinata nga the moment toko chakora bura yobo ngao ngetobeke tobe better leaders than muna tuaveri. The moment yoko na gwekwana, that is the fear that you cannot perform. Kero manye no bwato bwo takolega asi igo kukora kaliaga ke kwa gatangaza lakini omuntu okorete gazi nando okorete binde binene tabwatinga kiyoko cha kwetangaza. An example omurai buno omubungo korokundi ndindi nyoro kero okubwati history the last campaign tabege tunone poster batiga chore tune landslide
lakini agenda oteme
lakini bona oteme bintu bune byo tarueti political doctrine utaacha kitu kutangaza bondo boke na be kirege tacho kia machi epa pia machi 1 meter or so as a match bitacho bia seito is 100 bobo is less than 1000 to establish that kwenda watangaza. I think it is a very bad way yokokoro oborai wetu. But if you are a good leader, the leadership that you offer nguchiri yakwana mangana mange mono na ndama ya kubwabu naye kwa ngocha kwetangaza. So I'm hoping even though bune bikombe why should you wait kocha kulikia kombe na bana bambo bwate the whole season a season ne gocha gosuno mutinyo nane bako yondo nane you have a whole year to have a team no ni sato kurwase wodi yao ogo sponsor chaka county league batara bamanya ma exposure nero as sports batara you don't wait December Michael ke kombe kiao abana ba throughout the year ngai konye barengi so immediately atoba inyoredi you want to remember them for one particular moment elindo bekeli tali yao for one day was 1 week mupiro yo wako and anya bantu ara bayos na bakweba. So I want it to be consistent. The better way register chitimu no niveri chitimu njirina ro chingi ya gali utawala nero chitago Karungu FC nero Njoro FC nero Nyamonde FC nero chitimu chingi ya register those teams. Even if you give them half the money yoko register as a county league, they play the whole season. No and you gocha December eju tori gocha ngana kombe kiao waki. You come and bring them together and say, maybe we are identifying a talent. You mutotora arusiga, tumwireke wango kiararia, keigoro. Talinga yoko change lieta December, tokanye na December, no MC achale teke kombe. I don't think that's the right way to do it.
Wikiraboni go mochando 2/3 gender rule no rime institute ya Kenya singe nchekera kiri gotegerera abagaka especially abaraya abagaka asanse meri abasacha kero bakwa rime rubiri menge kero bakwa ro kumochikurire lina nigegemete kuchiase umwana omumura lakini tegemete kuchia ase umwana omoiseke asansemo yo mwana omoiseke na gwikira 2/3 gender rule wikiraboni yankiganirwa kwalekara because kero kolire nyeme rubiri nyone ni watebere chiti mukiango kero kolire mono oyino mwana omumura weko konya koba empowered abaiseke barabwo ndoche bakonya kogenda gwika.
The truth ne linga the 2/3 gender rule teraba effective ase enseaito teraba very effective because yoko nyoranga abasubati abangina pamoja na abana baba baiseke mbara atuara oko soka bamanyikana na barabuna abarai barabaya whether it is in the political circles sports circle ase chi platform chonse pi mbara soka barorekane nga babwato ko nyaruko
egotebekane keri bagotema kuimukirira iguru gose gwecokia nigo kubaira ninse nainde
nakiki nate tukokwana nakiki nate gotema ngaki the problem ne ringa ki okonyora nga abantu abange narcissism asege songo ya chakire ko so abasacha masculinity abasoire mbalikoranga they need to give women opportunity and those are problems chire cultural ichinde konyoranga chinde nchiringa umuntu onye kwa ibure tu gusi ukarora iso gose ole ngoita mamo minokera lituko kamanga bakungwe bakaneri gotume goitwa na kororubube. Some of those cultural effects njigane tochitike because you realize there are ladies who are even better leaders than Abasacha. There are ladies who are better sports women than Abasacha. By far, I've seen a woman olengo soto akatrain nero mopira kana alengo moke ocho to aki mopira kuna amra just like us and even better than most of us. One of realizing that they need to be given more space to show their worth and power, and that can be done through leadership. A problem ya very nelinga most of us into what that notion of Africanism ekogera tuwe banga abantana urumba takiri baiguli baka. So I'm hoping as we go they need to find their space. We have very good even professionals. We have very good doctors. Baraba kungu na ndeba kolega asiengia. We have nurses who are very good nurses. Wana bantonto buata aba the female gender aba ya bakaneri kwa guli bakali okora yokora. And I need to give them challenge. A challenge ngo wanelinga ki they should not sit down mbai karansa bakanya bale teru. Tena baro baso as much as ba komigwa no mai no na basa jambaro na barabu aba ya na barabu mihiri na basa jabande. They are looking for space. Wona barabu tia baachega in those spaces balinga na barabu tishati amagoko muna basacha bali bande bamigire ba na barabu bakulinga tocha se arena. As we fight for their rights, they also fight for their own rights. Kia na botoko baegerera wana to baegerera bali nyomba ikontoko batu akodeki to abakonyira. But something needs to be done.
Okay. Ni bonere ya tiwa gusi korengana ne ire murai winsagateba na up to around 310 million na rebe seganiri ko ya bekuru ense muchi kuikirani ubwagachi wechire chigachekera toteba na modern markets ne chichiro chira around 200 plaza na asense moyi chitago barabu murai winsu abeke kambi mono na abwo no korwa na bwekera tokwanira mangana ye chichiro bonchoreli na bwega no nyeno boremi ase ense mo ye ward ye chitago borabu mwaigwa echiro gose nabo agenda igagasoka kagenda mubwate echiro mwae una ino yam
echiro yetago nja kwanetu because na bere torase kigetambe ya kwanetu but mbora it is in process ne yaga chiro to some extent negendreta kwa gachu so we are hoping muna tabetengo korwere ne
ya chaito kwa gachu
sometime back like 2 years ne some structures in chiroro chiaga chiru lakini teraba completed kabisa ebe clean na
nuko agachukolina nuko beko boruso gose ya agachiri yabikira mbakanyone na mabati ya tubirugoroke
enseme mene ne bekira mabati but it is smaller traders bale etago na bange get traders bale tage bakurua satambe baru karungu moino baru njoro nyamondo ekona bacha bonsi baumera noro so it needs to be build more etware structures nyingi kyara cubicles cyaro setiku ne cyabando abake bonse traders bonse mbako isana abande bankone bale bakaralia pakapara so nega nere ebe expanded yaga chubuya kiro muntu atware baka kiro muntu atware stall ya yoko onelia ere clean akunyara ko manage oyino gufunga kyara echire lyo maete the essence echire lyo ganeria ga to the point nga ebindo byako kwabigora naboko bibeka ndo bisiekeroro andi mambya koleki obinyole but iteraika live you but it is work in progress think whatever it is bad off lakini ndi none promise ya ruetu mbona tera chaka kokora fone gento turo chenkerikero so there is room for something to be done as echireli lakini echiro nere ende anyama ya moino which is relatively bigger ne yunere ganirigo koba work done nerebe in a very good standard you have to make
na kurwa sensemo ya gobono kuno mu MCA
yes
murubiri gono ruribono ase mangana yo bonchereli bolemi tichire chyo na kerekemo asengi chikurwa sensemo ye county ensemo erol ne rogani rigo play na ye buno mu MCA gucyase abantu bawo
erol yo mu MCA okora no go identify issues tirase wodi yae achirase county government chibe legislated chibe planned for arafu chikoleke so what I'm doing currently is identifying the problems because onye to identify problem you cannot solve no na karwa jire nyagitali wata umutungo ngati ole ba dete to kurusia manyinga to kopima to makumanya ngio kwalite ngio rwalite kiara mbako enda bako tenga bwata panado umutu wate bwata panado watara kupima so I'm trying to identify the problems chiroro in terms of boncholeria kiaro boncholeria una urombu bwata mangana mange maito boncholeria is one word ebwata mangana mange twakwana litangani chichiro chibe bill lakini abantu abanga bagoitera baike chichiro it needs proper transport infrastructure abantu aba nabali mibale what does it need babeke bimelikiera chingeni muntu lichitago rabutari ucho komba chingeni kuru nyamai kuru Kilgoris ale taoni yetako igani lyazimeke kwaye onye ne mesibune yeke kusito ko lise ito buya sana ikaniri muntu azimeke kwaye anyero oseli ale tetago akore awon bono kerdoko tebo bonjoli it's one word batipata mangana mange akaniri ko shugulikero bona so bonjoli bintu mbire identifying the markets kina so bonjoli one part the next part nelikuwa mbori mangana mno boremi I think to akwanete but it was not extensive and mbia mona so ngari baga to expound on that oboremi bwe emesina no bonene sana seito oboremi bwe cha embororo ne ka wa mboroboke na ngo realize yolenga oboremi obo kwenda kero muntu abwate kintu kirianjete kemeli kirianjete naro gotebe ka ungo mokonyere ka kiaramba eroseti egacha bagwakana no entwise aiya ya karengo ira yange geketamba akabantu bakacha kunyanja
yeba
nemesi naro goteba nganje mesi naro ansomeri abana bane kurubarenga bake paka babera banene tingo yetiga naro uno sokore ane mare momoke era gotebe tenga nje cha umuntu akune cha kwane twakoreki twagosanire bono kero umuntu gabwate kemeli kirianjete the only thing that can be done one abantu baito because the county ne what a responsibility yoko kolera abantu education ya agriculture bamanyenga ki esebinde byokoba ndobwate very good chimbego chingia chikokora asegete amarioga maya aratokonye none mesi itute okumugondo kosone ne chinyanya usimegete amarioga maya aragere ogese ebintu bune bibikoro alafu gento kende ase chitago borabu yaito asoboremi to make sure ngaki abantu baita abakoroboremi baegu ebintu bire bikobakonya kokoroboremi asenjerere raisi nabatebeti murai wense ngote barengi okeiri oboyo legally of course na maene lakini oboyo bokeiri mbuli gotoka can ensure ngaki oboyo bokeiri legally ngotoka bali ebi melibuna chimbegu chibando chingende chibe abaile basi serious MMC na bwate enafasi yako korasa mangana yonse mosongo ngote barenga ki you don't bury your head in the sand and behave that your whole body will not be scorched by the sun. Ano kubeko mutua marabaime wada mugongoro nya wako mugasombi yandi. Iteri muraya gani rikokoro. Umurayo okorwa MMC identify the problems, take them to the county ebe legislated. Ekwanu mna richiko ebe bylaw ereterwa abantu bao bakoreki banyore amangana yonse. Otebe ngayo amangana yo gani rikokoro ne governor tari we identify buo nayo kwa ndo mutenga kibuone kemeli buneke emesi munabona hiyo emesi around yenja aku ensemugete tokoleta ba agriculture kure county bache barore mesiye ngiki agirete akoroki ekakuga echae njoma ensemugete leta ba agriculture ba identify ngiki agirete echae akoroki ekoma na mangana muna na konya bali muntu
ebintu ebyo speaker biko korekana manyete chibesa nchire chibesa iganchi bwatiraniri na sometimes ebuna bara chibesa mugucha mwa handle nyone chi project chibesa chiwetera sama boka ino it is a huge amount of money ne chibesa chinyinge mono ntubata mangana ya accountability na integrity na ebintu ebyo speaker oko birigereria buna bono ase umubwekano buna ba governor tubwate wikira boni igankwarana committee neraria ase bunge ria senator eria sipake kogenda aria yaba unenkia yaba ringoli na kimwa tumite chibesa na boigo nigo bago kolemiremo kolengana no roboti rokuru ase mu auditor general alafu mo governor ngo chale na rogu materi bagana kibase report nereye ngocha bari bagatare county barurana ngikia bereka kwarekana na kiwa tumite chibesa so naye ngwebuli bakwiraneria wone bari bakubolia mabolio mbabwate report yantangani yo mu auditor general mbabwate report ya kabere eywe rweta sura yo monyene response ya genyene lakini niko bateba na asenkwana ya bakero ukoligereria bagoteba na bari guchikoendera bono gwikira na sekwende sengenche bata it is harassment ekero bakubolgiwa giriyo tumeki na wikira boni ngwaro chumu governor muno yo Nairobi ngakiaga nitukubwatwa bwango iga lakini tachieti kubekwa biara from there bakagenda seke gambiro so that igatange borona mbachi kubwatwa ekero keria ebunge ya senate wose committee area tebrina kana more atumubwatu mu governor gete momorete so that chikwerana kia tumeka chibesa echiga Nabaraya bange muri gutaka mwa accountable. Naki obutumeke bw'ekibesa sena kibesa kyatumeke wase miradi au wose kwa soka so bwasi kumwerera naki ebese yabake gutumeke asamangana ya accountability na integrity kurwa sekero kiri uko ligwane kiro kyo bwa MCA na boigo asubwagare ukwandra nengana ya corruption kenengero kyongereki
mbia mono kwa mburi swali sana and ntete kwira niliga umusongongo tebaliga it's only a coward who runs away from their own shadows yani omuntu omwoba ena bagota makuru na anaza mulengali oyo na baruti kabisa mukasu bwokiro mulengali oyo no royo lenza nando yo tama
bana
accountability negento oganiria ebuno murai otwa at your fingertips because na igweta percent about complaints sana in fact unfortunately no mugavano ito we county ito is implicated inganga ni ko bwatu nere because kerwa murangirita politiki tachete what happens Auditor General gako ndo kora survey yae oru reports chae chia to mwase county mwaro response yae no kurwa se county government response yone mo kora se senate sipak so unfortunately karokoro mo governor ako tamare kuru response chira yetu audit report mapema ike problem na kora taki nero that's why I'm saying omuntu okwanga ko kora accountability is running away from their own shadow no accountability is part of responsibility. Onye kwa hiru resources. Like I think na wrote reporting last time that MCAs muna beji tago borabu. Oyo mu beji tago borabu. Na MCAs bonds bare Kisii County. They were allocated around 40 plus million. As of 2024, 2025 reporting para anyebeka system. 2026 ne yetole. We don't know how much they are going to be allocated. But I know, maybe it can be more than what they were given. Chiba se choko egwa. Abantu bako vera accountable mbali wako legacy. Onye tora akora kiende no chokwa nemba manyetenga akia akene ngiyo ya akora. Nakini na otability karutu alengeka the last time. Nelinga ki no MCA bono igororo. Na ndamu renga no mole mumono ekerara chasa abantu abadena tetechikura. Because
the last time wamuro chendileli
amatanga nara bete yo mulenge PA I think I know muro chiri elio moelio but yanda arotari gocha I think that was personally touching him na kiata achire toro na lakini asanda arotari gocha but that's beside the topic. I'm saying accountability kerotally accountable you are not a leader. Accountability is part of responsibility. Keroro murai yone riko kobanga bintu biri wakolera abantu they can be traced, they can be found tangible. Kero monda ko buati na wago tebanga ki akaegu 1 million. Akache klasi yake kero tokuligere amaine klasi yake ise 1 million. Kera aki oraegu 1 million. Waga chira bana be skuru echo ya magogo. Abantu mbao kuminga ebese ya rutu ngimaiga kahingocha kwa kacha yalingi ngento buneke. So I think accountability should be part of responsibility murayo ndipo nsaka ni recover. Unfortunately ngonyorolinga ki most of the leaders mbali accountable for what they do because of corruption muna whatever.
Otara ndra sense ya corruption umanye gukolera ningo boliri boli alimo.
Yes.
Chiba sere ngo gutumeka kwa gache nyumba yo bachano. Erumwe yamo gose erumwe yamo ne bafu. Kolengana na ebe na mwago. Chiba sere ngo gutumeka kwa gache nyumba yo bachano.
Njena gache nyumba yo bachano personally mwane. A very simple one. I spend less than 200,000.
Okay.
Yes.
How comes? Kera ikirana nebe aso mwana nchi kwa gache nyumba yo bachano ase skuru. Erumwe yamo gose chi rumu ibere niko chiko allocated up to 1 million. Tabo tikero regatia eliere mwago was spent less than 200,000 you may be obegete ne chirumu ibere. Lakini ke weka yes kuru chirumu chibere the same structure everything bibwe kaine lakini yata cha 1 million. Mochano ngayole.
Let me tell you mochano leadership.
Ose simiti ekara yekira se skuru ego chiyakina na mataboli abali goliringa.
Mochano leadership. Mochano no borai na ndente to gotebe go no bore mukiagera ekero ikire nje kerongwa kore bintu byane ndete ngende andi tingene no ne duka ndebe nganje no mwemsi ndete ko esmith ndete ngene ntume no mondo angorere kya dimanye kana nje na wonda dai ku chinyingi lakini onye bintu biko changa ne chibesa che counting go tumeka ndete ndebe nganje ne msi mbabuli esmith renga moko ne libwa yam beka kuchiri bubere because I have greed ogotako okonene na kukwa bere okobe igento kende ngelinga nonye bali bako gutenders gukora supply y'ebintu bigokora egasi as a county and even the national government, they always inflate prices. Abakona inflate prices babeka amagori abe bintu byaba igoro mono kuwabona bikoro kawaida. I think na iwoto mara iwe nso whatever the other day we need to have e-procurement process echa ekurusia mangana munayu yabantu kubeka amagori ali atagwendereti. Onye muntu ne supplier na ndo iru etenda. Acha abo likunga ki anye simiti in the market value simiti is 1000 ngigere teka ka 2000 aru esababu akoreta 100 onye market value yeri bat yeri mo 1500 ngiga ku 3000. I think some of those processes they want to be brought into existence chikonya abantu gotasali chibeza, because honestly nande najitenga tebanga ibintu mbire mwanya bantu okora no shetani kera kora turu ama moja odenga yetarinche namura onera bueka, because
yo kore go mondo tebe na gaktarinche
na shetani
mbire chogerete
lakini maitenga no shetani era buri kuna bagote ngotarinche guzo koiba ngorokobe onye echo ya 200,000 why should you use 1 million? I think that is okuno koibo kobe koli no na abana bao baranyora maragiriri.
Kera tukorera senseme yo gukwanira mangana yobo ya accountability na integrity tumanya kwa ndase omotimo komoke aba MCA konye ndire na ino moko kore mirimo ya ino bune bwenerete bwango no nyino mu governor ngotwara chinga kinyororo ne nyine kera ko genda kurangirigwo oika mwino gali ukikwerera na kibesi na kichi atumigetwe iga senseme yende na asenseme aba MCA na barabwo asinale bataraikirani obokora ligwabo bune bwenerete because labda ne ward yawe gento kirikanire kokorekana gose bintu biru bikanire kokorekana se county kickback bintu biru kuna ne kickback gose wacha wako ni gwaka gose 200,000 kwabeka omunu akendu ebintu binga bune biga kwanye bikoendera kokorekana igolenda magendero nacha so mwana inchi because kwandi aba MCA na barabwo gose muna moko koremere meno bune bwenderete kokorekana bwango ward terigotenena yange county ya mesire because go 2013 up to now tontena ne chibesa chitaraba chiko bwatu kwa ose chiko ba delayed ose na wastage nigere enyinge asobo kora libo mu MCA mbara akora mirimo ose mura akora mirimo ya ino buna ebwenerete na kiako gerana nyane no mugavana nera guchyo utwara chingo ngobo kurumige nto kieke no gukuniwa gento keke bas kikwanyo rira kagorende kwabeka umuntu wakendu.
I think inere sababu enene egerete nkulyo wa MCA tware ngutwaro burayo buya nkige kwero chikoli
by the way kororeto go change nae
nakina sabati change kiara trojonde nje mugusingo tebari njira trigo temogende nande nakina nya na go sabanya saen como boria nyasanyo koroche ngakati ngo murai muya tonga lakini asinge jini maitenga nyasa ngoro kiringa no murayo muyande ko igorara abantu ba situ chitako borabo ato eliba katokole. The problem error ne linga compromise ne nyingi as a leadership. Compromise ne nyingi mono nandoko nyangonye integrity yo murai kerense ako compromise on virtually everything. Pakke bintu biroro chenga no ngesi likiao ngo kocha koreka byale ngebikonye kwa nyoranga kwa very compromised. Why should you be compromised bakenya gitalia kopera ngesi likiao? I think that is the lowest you can go as a leader. Onye koro murai nande go kwa ugendo keke kwa kire bintu biroro bigo cha konya abantu bao kakiro onye para gwate biunge pare na matobe kerembura ya tule tipik bie chiko gugange saba litukulia menya kwera. Why should you be compromised onye pare ukaneri korosi guterosi igeme tinga banda uta edukora no ta edebaku mundu ocha gwakera kurole mbera
osena mabere kwanyorire nayo irere abana bago mogoroba
abana bo kwirena mo pastor munaro rande tiase agateba iga
yebona
konye wokuira chibesa chobosoku akwanita sike Swahili I'm trying to translate bo naboko abana ba amabere chinda jibarume
okay
ngosa banale ngiga ngonya wokwe ndeke we agacha that particular moment there's a generation ile maiga yao irimo ogana iri kwa gachiro boroso buya
okay
ikego cha ikachinga kinayo koruororo banyore ngano baroserete. If you eat today and forgetting ngano moiboli ore nayo gocha konyora abana baruma yao obasadedi abon na barongocha gwetera bale mechando gwarosete.
Okay, mbia mano mwancho muligeria asoko endera kubwatie nkwani yege mambia ya bono chaka ko yarigani waka esimiago kero turaira ne kurwase mutimo kome kenamba nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano ne mumara gatano mwero beka isatu na bagotume ujumbe yage nyenge gose uchigwaka esimiago kanyako yarigani yabuto kwerana no uchigwaka esimiago na boigo keto kwanira yabwatikaine ne chitago horabu emambia ya bono nsoko tigo boreso mugusi tigango tarasumira chiruka keo.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucacirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene cinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe candika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia cinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneri kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Mrna nabalibe chinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyechiense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana maya. Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi.
Karibu na ile mwanchu muri ile sensemo yiga ya gatatu kerege twendera tugusanga subwamo emambia ya bono iga ekera tuguska tutarachiko korera sensemo yiga ya kabega tukunya kwanira mangana yoburai ingusana nere moino gase kya makia ODM UDA inyomo nere gendera tukokorekana and of course ekero kiri ukoligereria se ubwagare tari barabuboka yene ngana labda irachiko na nyone nase ebyama binde ukobaga chinsemo chingongo gesiasa stokorateba na zoning korengana na ikurase ensemo yago because demokrasia yense ya Kenya kero kuyerigereria asobwagare tuganirwa teba na gaiga usitago burabu umuntu ganirwa gocha gutenena ninche na inde ne kiama na kiekeiga because kroyomo Kenya ne yabantu bonse samangana ega azoning on speak ki ujumla kero keri kuyerigereria ase ubwagare naki uraya kwanire because unabona abantu bo DM niko bagenete na Nyanza, Migori, Siaya, Homa Bay, Kisumu tuganirwa beka murwaneri yondo wensi wetera se kiama labda kia UDA use kiama ya Jubilee use Wiper nigamanyikana ne ngome ya ODM igemereti mu MCA no ODM mu senator no ODM mu women rep no ODM mu governor kire kama kurugole suti eyo nigegani koba ODM ne suti eyo na kusinaro na biranyalikana tuganyorira se engole eyo asenge ncho ye effect ya Daktari Fred Matiang'i
mangana zoning bona ngamna to gendrete political alignments ngona kwa kachiri and the political alignments ngokore kana jiri paka the latest date election and even after elections political alignments ngokore kana jiri. What happens na politics nda eleza si agusu nilinga people always want to bargain for a space in the government ya waswa wana kerumo ndako bargain for space in the government of the day wamna bone government ya so 2027 kerumo ndonata a bargain for a space in that government. So what happens ne okonyoranga onyabantu they are not very sure about their stability because politics is numbers. ODM bama idenga umuntu go bamiga ke ba okay ababunge babo na batake space in the coming government oye 30 part of them ba konyora ibaga. That's what happens. Na kiyokonyora abantu bako nakoteba zoning. But in my opinion zoning is the worst way of choosing leaders. Is the worst way of choosing leaders. Because zoning ige kwena na bako muntu tale ngoja kora abantu onyora liba ikiara
dasinge ncho ningo mwamo letero mwabetereri kwana nero uyu
ngasinge ncho ngo kwana le kiama kiri tutagete bono uyo mochore toma konyanga twachora barai bakorteki baraba nalengo there are two ways of getting around this. If abananchi baroche ngaki barabwe kiama geko basobo no ODM ose Jubilee ose DCP ose UDA bale abantu bale babayetenga na barai abaya babeka sebya mebi they can get good leaders out of that. Enjera ya kabere no gotika zoning completely abantu bachora barai abaya
mumera neta be mwensi
abantu bonzi abumera neta no yo independent bono munabono mu MCO ito wanyete salire tano yo independent tawa the kiama
niga so independent
so independent no muntu ore independent orojinga is not aligning to any party na no murayum yale acho runere araya abantu baye because nkonyoruringa zoning is phasing out
niga chore twe niga so independent ya senge chukuru mu chakano na baya ringene ni independent go se kiama nkiraga niri kuboria gakwa isiko because barako nyorana nigo bakwera muchujo kwa nyorana liba bakwera muchujo omuntu naro etikuga o irwe ticket mangana yo chiro muntu agachugwa tayana bono senge nchumu ngakrisko tingira ni independent
tinda go dig deep into the politics that happened but na alenge kiama alenga se kiama ki ODM kero akubuli chikura until nomination kara yangokoro bono kero nomination yakoro according to the people which tago barabo baka feeling na ule tuli bakalia liokoba liokogwe ticket ya ODM bono bakamushauri barabo abanyene ngaki kenda as an independent na puto correct na puto support na ndagaita so kera abantu bagwanjete it doesn't matter ngayole but rende bone issue bune ya zoning ngonetere nebwata role go play aso kurusia barai abaya lakini nataka abantu baito banyirigeri in those two ways onye baroching zoning is the best way to go because abantu matichikura na abantu tagete bagwagere chikura na nda abantu abote wakire chikura na ba uwanja pi lakini onye turiko kogenda buna bade nande bakokane onye baroche nga zoning is the best way because they need numbers in whichever situation asenchirerie bataite baswaye bachoro umuntu umya bamutenga bonaye asinjo tu wanchire na se to ga no DM so DM na boto correct na boto choro otherwise zoning te corrupt abantu baswaye bonsi abaraya barusi that pool and we lead our people.
Okay. State yobo chenu ase eward yechitago borabu wikiraboniga how far we gaitwa ikeire makonguna raliaga ndrete kuru ase eward yechitago borabu na boigo na raliaya uroberi kuru ase ensemo yaga kara tukwanere roba chenu ase eward yechitago borabu the last time ambulance estimate na mwati muraiwense na ase ambulance bono yaruetu ninya gitari yakine tiwe wichia 11 mwaga netie kini wegochi
inyagitari nja kwande tukero morai bwensa ale ngoro nonere information anyorte nga iri state yankong because I remember na roche mubungo sito silwano soro komutenga inyagitari nere rogurugari a few meters from where we are standing iri in a very deplorable state iri nchere embemon ambulance dira agorwa so far lakini rende state yobo chenu ase chitago barabuya itotiringia completely ntubwate egapu enene eganiri gokorekana kororekana ebe sorted obochenu maite nkurubura sinyagitari infrastructure no drainage maite ne no bochenu seito we are advantageous ngantubwate bitunwa sembra ne twa mache ngoso ali gochime huko lakini amacha ayo maite naron kubugulia robo chafu abana bali bakoenda bachikwerema some of those things ne binge byo bochenu bigane riko korwa chitago yaito borabu elinde bi rorekanenga chitago borabu it's a healthy ward muna chiward chinde asande narorire so I'm hoping nga more wense buna achete something will be done ase nyagitali chitago yetago dispensary ekini gwake etware facilities na nite kini werieta etware facilities and it is even possible liba to kana bakanyamarambe mahate we have very big facilities, a very big laboratory nimbwate knowledge ya laboratory science yake nabo abantu bacha bapimugali amaryo gatoka bagwenigu if it is something that needs a referral umuntu takuru etago aberifari to Nyamarambe tiagende bosongo which is a bigger hospital igonekero totebengo nyosinyuru etago agende Nyamarambe. It is unfortunate that mune etago okonyoranga there's a private facility ekorukurumieva it bigger than a public facility. It's very unfortunate.
Neyo mwenyene.
Eyo mwenyene. And I want to state categorically, Ngao Mwenyene is not even a doctor by profession.
Kai.
But he felt there is a gap. Agagachinya gitari, ekokonya abantu. But then it is costly because of private facility. Chipesa chikutumika nichi nyingoro kubwa a public hospital. Bono nkekwera umura yurioro ataranga there is a gap here, there is a challenge here actually. The distance between Romieva Hospital and Etago dispensary is 200 meters. So the big challenge this challenge actually I'm asking no bagende baikaranze damo no monyene Romia bangiara mudebere no muraiwe ward. It becomes a difficult situation. Bono gontoka neringa there's something that can be done. Sinyagitari chetu chirosiku na sinyagitari chikorosiku chitwale important facilities waina mario gatoke laboratory equipments chitoke abantu baito barengwo bamanyikaranga marore kibabwate bamayako kogweni. Yes.
Chiparanchira iga number 1 etago ekona kerokire tukulireria ase tare yo muraiwense bwangu bwanga sense muyende arene ward yago egatie bintu biria bya chira chiari rwetwa iga ntugate paranera ekorukwa etago ekona na boigo nyama ya roda yabegetu ase budget ne plan ntugate mochenga yora maro egende otende nere Nyamarambe nyabigena road omingo nyangweta KMTC abona nonaga nini chemono sengencho neranga monaye yekurukuna nero nyangweta KMTC alafu ne pali kurukuna etago ekona nyamaiya chipali cho estate ya wekirabani gana kiere and then so far so good ase a word ya gonaro na kiama koli mwaya nigagendera tokonolero mono
Epara yetago ekona geteni ya maya is a major road but estate epara nembe mono because keroko ine parangu kwana kiara na yeteire not once severally
and remain
and is a main road kurwetago paka nyama ya mwinera mani epare yo iko kugenda konyora magena chintu gukora kabisa katika tie para alia manene no twale gari ni gwate gari bwate clearance yanke goikocho gende garage after that gugutwale pikipiki by the time we kase kware nge ore biru kunyoka ne kororo no munyagitari so is a very bad state and I'm hoping ngamno murai bwenza atebete nga nkoyero siale we are hoping it will be budgeted because any promise yaru wetu but it needs to be budgeted as this current budget ye goche mutinyosita eko budgeted ero sigu ekonya abantu baitu mate kwanze para kererembe none rigorio kuburio rigoro kere parerengia none rigorio kuburio rirenze nande none time nono muntu bwato umurwaire time akoira kuru 1 point A to point B erenke kere parerengia
nenyari kana singincho ere parere meina ne ere koirira labda no nyina makori aliaga ni rikoroswa ase ne county mwemsi yaga ni rikori ria tebena se ward yana makori naraga ni rikururwe kera ile robot rigorase e county nenyari kana na kikia irire na nyone na makori ali aga ni rikoroswa sitago burabu naraga ni rikori muiga aiguru na kikia irire ko mwasingincho ne parere main ase Rwanda national government igani rikoroswa so that naekero nayonyore libaga yugoche gwetie michanga yago na chikoko tando of that no moram gocha se amakoli ago ninyari kanena enero yagarire amakoli ayande Rwanda county government naro atararosu
ayo obuno bolimo mwalimu naronso midie sabu agantebia antebiga kerayoro no bwate opportunity okora kubwa bali bande ande to konyore sabu 8% ocha gotebanga mama na nyorete 4% na tata kanyo 3% igona nje na demiri that is not an excuse kero mundo ga kolenze moya ikiera gocha ko ban unfortunate buno murai otebanga nkoro rikoru mogenda dia sonya magena mabariri dia cha kebabe ikiera nge pare ekona etagoteraroso
asinginche kero gotera bara ibando kuigwana gente kekarantara igende ko nantara rosiri kolieriga manyete muroche pare igenene aste tuweteri gakinyo no moro mukiango bone tukanyete yera rosu kugarende tumanya gocha gweterie bintu biche goche binyoroma
okunoko tumeka bande gotaba accountable otumeka mugongo boyo ndo otari ko accountable kero to gocha kugenda se ballot rio wage kura disa kalio mo MCA lire kando nelio mobunge lire kando aba na inji bejitago borabo bagocha kubulio mobunge mobunge osoro na oregeti pare yetage kona teraba ondrio kwa kure kiare pare tago teraba omo MCA bagocha kumobuli ayo murai mo MCA tago Felix murai Felix para ekoru mogenda yasoanya mondo yagendera mani moino teraba bagocha kumoboli ngaki epareri yawe taraba sengenje eri osoro mba kumoboli gendeke kero muntu gagotenna kila mtu anabeba msalaba wake kibyake igonga ayakorenze moya in fact mboli kere pare ekorubune ekoru mogenda yaso nyamagena mabariri yacha kebabe pare yo ayekero kwa yero siku chakira mogenda kwani kebabe nki affected main road tebwa defect endons iga kwanye kuni main road oyo main road nera charo sense moya pare koru ekona yagenda mogenda aerosia kapara aku koru ekona kabeka korumogenda beke mara mubake ekona ukanye main road nera chako lense moya kero muntu gakubulia ense moya to chago tamera bad ikera mwanya bantu especially abantu baito jitago bara they are very clever. They know ngaga nege tamero kwaria elinde to korra bante gas. In the first place into bakubolia onye Korese County you are asking for resources. Unoga ne rioro kinga ngiji akolite. Bona okay totai bononye pale to nyaga chit. What did you do with our money? Bona maswali na manga gocha ekero utariko kole gas. Bona ekolenze moya to tamira abande. Kero muntu na kero ikija 2027 kero muntu gocha kotene report card yae atebanga yes njena akolite abana nje bakumake likose bagoiti.
Nyangweta KMTC.
Yes. Nyangweta KMTC njabe kwa boroso, naro njabe kwa boroso. Naro che mabungo ito tebanga. Onye KMTC ya Nyangweta tekoba, ne pare yo kwa na ya kuru etago bakende nyama ya mwino tekoba, taego bonge. Nabate bete ko monyene.
Kutari kwere merengoro. Na nyari kanaliende na kurwa bono wiko mwako 2027. Bintembira kale kanaliende.
Nande nkora te barenga kero kole mengoro remenye ngake tokumanya mbware kiwo chagoika. And I'm hoping nga kere bwebekere eseke gusiba tayari kugoto bigoti. Kebekere I'm hoping nga nechebe because KMTC is a negendo kerarete economy ya seto ebengi yamono. Asikingo tebayo. KMTC kero ya gachiro. Abangi nambachega bachega kuboni chingeni. Chinyomba ngocha kwa gachira residential houses. Biashara ngocha kwa gorubire gago. Esabu nere ya kujuzi ya university ya Kisii University. Era go tebanga inaia turnovers cha Kisii University turnovers. Biashara bigo koru chinyomba cha gachiru ororo biashara abantu bayigo irororo transportation y'iki pigipigi y'abantu bakubuguri abanafunzi na bintu bune ebyo turnovers beyond 5 billion. 5 billion. You can imagine if those are turnovers chiare through na Kisii University as a Kisii town. You can imagine KMTC what it's going to do for us. So we are hoping as a promise bakora mbanyebeke it will be again to kera beki yamono as a economy ya setu. Gento kya kabere nkelinga ki abana baito mbanyali bakali gosomera ange nankanaro. Maito gosomera ange nankano kuya ase bali okonyoro kwaito kolenze. Kero no nenjara yakuli na boku mnyokaka oragere ira nesukuru. Igo it's negento kera beki yamono kolengana nje kebengangi akoleka. Igo nga mobungo itekia na rengoro mamisitu timorochi nande nega neri nera atwale namba yae nero mubolingi kintu kilimu atabete yemu abege to boroso narora sande abantu bachorete
yani egente keyo karikane word yae ero manyana tayo
tayo epuru arenge waka bagoteba maite baliba bara
se word yaino moko rumwensi
no
ne KMTC no ekobeko
amaen aha inanyora bagote maite balibanka baliba wakachiguramba manyete mono ba abwate binte bia mono bia okora kubwa gocha kwera abantu bae I think ndongere to kweba ebinde bimbiri bikwa numna promises one of your promises kwanza chikoena no towards the election most of them go wachire fulfilled because agency asa it happens
asenge chekene kiagani tiache kuiranira ache go sabe
kura
na zinga changabe ko boroso ga na inde na nyaga chire na kibono mogo tebe tamune ya mogo senibere
na bego chi na bago tumekelete bono kerororo ebintu mbiro maite bono na roche muna governor achete bo machoge because mbaite no morai bwenze bo machoge akaika ko teba ngasinge njumo bumbo inatayo tigamba sabere bintu obuno boso uko bonene uno boso ko bonen because no andiri kero before sora tebe etago dispensary Sentilinus neta techipe sambanya 3 million na igwete na ana before bakolego mpaka neri omukutano obo omu MCA atebyo soro ngase bintu biriyo bange tukwana ekeneke ngera koraki ngera ilinde bintebi bikwano bono there's opportunity naro ebinde bikokoleka
okay
bono kero umuntu atayo yongo nkoro kanere nganto bwati mutini nabo tonga chingoni tabwati molisi
all right aso ko rense dakika aya masing chinza cheto chairire siasa bono mukari waka iska siasa yichi handout
yes
amo ne siasa yokuramana ebintu mbibere number 1 siasa yichi handout eni mukari kubwatuka sana alafu asensemo yende siasa yokwiranirania na mangana yokuramana inero siasa
eyutari siasa ntate kukwanira ensema ya siasa ya handouts kuzo tokenism banye mate squeeze na changanya orange bako tumekele tali songo likongu wacha kutandania abantu right lakini handouts na tokenism is one and the same thing and ndenja it is unfortunate nga twatumikire chibesa mono kuligia barai nakiri to kero twacha kanate banga nguchine na lengeri na wishinga if we had a way yoko chora barai totari go itara politics angantu atwara barai abaya batokorera chigas chingia lakini asingencho tuachenjiri siasa onye tobwate turi kwaegwa lakini hata kante bi abantu baito bijita go barabu na bera to kitimbwati besa chira chinda bai ngiche buna pita bata betenga fedha na dhahabu sina, lakini kwa jina la Yesu chitako barabu yaito word itaenda mbele. Ikintu kia kabiri siasa yo kuramana. Siasa yo kuramana siasa embe sana. Siasa embe sana. Narra aso mutandao muna to ikarastega. Twagenda break yake. Narra aso mutandao omonto yomo oko ralia omurayaro chingana abia ase word yaito chitako specifically chitako barabu. Obekire retali aye alafu kerabe kiretali aye omuntu ndocho muramo mutengo omuntu okwabekira no mwibi alafu oyo kerate bano mwibi oriwe nero murama nga
nincheremo yo kwiraniria
bono oyo tebe ngoli no mwibi ore tibicha yo post yori nyinore nyagitari yorwarete nga okomotebi angama mu mina akwete ekinege nte kebe pakana igwe nkoro yane gekwanyuka ikiagera siasa tega ni ikase to gukwana paka mangana amakongu gochasa abantu bamintu tigatwanjane tukwana ni tosekamo ikiara abantu baroba gochoro murayo mwelio noyo moko basa obonse bino na 50.
Okay. Yamano mwanchu mwaligeria sokobati enkwana eyega na gwikiraga abo na ndo chena to gwikira omwerio gwika ingakiende sekunde ikomichoka.
Bia mono. Chitago burabu word nabaganiria maya kama uko nakuligia omurayo muya nero yo murocho gukwana ngo basabanga 2027 kereweka mbwatesi elinde tororenga chitago burabu yaito ngo gendere biwango chiwodi chinde cyachire na nyasaye abamona ino na abasesini bano.
Yamano mwanchu mwaligeria sokobati haya igonsi korotwaga chaga tumuchaka no gwikira bwani na cyari chinsa isana na mochi abonu bose ndara kubati mirobirende atigera seri tukurima wika erianki alhamise gochakira ensa ayamo wika chinsa anye inyega ase amaya amo na yanda mange ngakiyo retro mene tugandira ukwanira ayande amange asabano na koganiri ritukurigia ritriane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umuguzi.